It looks like a creature from another world, an ancient relic of the deep ocean floor.
To unlock the prize, one must master the art of the cut.
But hidden beneath this prehistoric armor lies one of the seafood world's best-kept secrets.
A treasure of pure, sweet tail meat, rivaling the finest lobster.
This is the journey of the Slipper Lobster, from alien shell to culinary masterpiece.
Our journey begins in the cold, nutrient-rich waters where these bottom dwellers thrive.
Upon arrival at the processing facility, freshness is the absolute priority.
The catch is immediately transferred to the sorting line, where the cleaning process begins. Living on the sandy ocean floor means these shells require rigorous, high-pressure washing.
Machines can only do so much. The complex anatomy of the slipper lobster often demands a human touch.
Every specimen is inspected. Only those with intact shells and signs of vitality make the cut.
They are held in purging tanks, allowing them to naturally filter out any remaining sand from their systems.
Once purged and pristine, they are ready for the most critical stage of production.
A rapid thermal shock in ice slurry ensures the meat remains firm and the humane processing standards are met. Now, the true craftsmanship begins. It is time to extract the meat. The processing begins by separating the tail, the most valuable part, from the armored head.
Precision weighing ensures consistency for the wholesale market.
Cleaned, graded, and perfect. The slipper lobster is now ready for its transformation.
To lock in the flavor and texture, the tails undergo a precise blanching process.
To lock in the flavor and texture, the tails undergo a precise blanching process. Controlled steam heats the meat rapidly without drying it out, preserving the delicate sweetness unique to this species. In a matter of minutes, the transformation is complete. The meat is now firm, resilient, and visually striking. A rapid hydro-cooling shower arrests the cooking process instantly, locking in the perfect tenderness.
Now solid as rocks, they are durable enough for the final stages of production.
A final check ensures the glaze is uniform and the shape remains perfect.
The freshness is now hermetically sealed, ready to survive the journey across the globe. The freshness is now hermetically sealed, ready to survive the journey across the globe. Bags are packed into master cartons, designed to withstand the rigors of international cold chain logistics. Sealed, labeled, and secured. The boxes are consolidated into pallets, wrapped tight to ensure stability during transport.
From the factory floor, they move to the loading bay. A fleet of refrigerated trucks waits to carry this ocean treasure to airports and seaports. The industrial journey ends here, but the culinary journey is just beginning. From the depths of the ocean to the finest tables in the world, this is the story of the slipper lobster.